Today I am going to discuss the tricks required to remember the periodic table in a very simplified manner. So, particularly, I will discuss for your 11th standard the S block and P block elements. To remember this periodic table in a very simple manner, I have devised a song. बच्चों, मैंने क्या किया इधर एक सॉन्ग जो वेरी सिंप्लीफाइड मैनर में मैंने एक सॉन्ग बनाया है हॉरिजेंटली, that is a period, horizontally how to remember the periodic table, and then vertically how to remember the periodic table in a very simplified manner. So to start with, let us start the song. तो गाना चालू करेंगे. Very simple. H H E L I B B C N O F neon. H H E L I B B C N O F neon. नारायण मगाशी आला म्हणून सीताला फोन करून सांग. Caller, caller, caller. See, once again. H H E H H E L I B B C N O F neon. नारायण मगाशी आला म्हणून सीताला फोन करून सांग. Caller, caller, caller. का? Why? का? कारण सायन्स टीचर विचारतात क्रोमियमचं मन. सायन्स टीचर विचारतात क्रोमियमचं मन. फेकू नको झडन, फेकू नको झडन. So these are 30 elements. Horizontally we went, that is period wise 30 elements. Let us see. H H E, first period is over. L I B B C N O F neon. H H E L I B B C N O F neon. नारायण मगाशी आला म्हणून सीताला फोन करून सांग. कॉलर, कॉलर, कॉलर. का? कारण सायन्स टीचर विचारतात क्रोमियमचं मन. फेकू नको झडन. So these are 30 elements. If we start from atomic number 1, that is hydrogen, atomic number 2, that is helium, atomic number 3, that is lithium, atomic number 4, beryllium, atomic number 5, that is a boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Likewise we can go. Then sodium, magnesium, Narayan Magashi, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, atomic number 15, Mr. Phosphorus, 16, that is a sulfur, 17, that is a chlorine, 18, that is a argon, right? Kalium, Latin name, English name, potassium. So calcium, scandium, titanium, many people call it as tritanium. So vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So we did it how? Horizontally. Period wise we did it. Now if you discuss, अभी आप बच्चों सोचेंगे कि चलो इसको थोड़ा सा ग्रुप वाइज स्टडी करते हैं. ग्रुप वाइज. So if you discuss group wise, the first group of the periodic table, in many, if you search out the internet, you will understand many such tricks have been given. Helena ka Ruby से friendship. Helena का Ruby से friendship. Group 2, बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर, बाप राजी. बाप बेचारा क्या करेगा? राजी. बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर, बाप राजी. So this is a second group element. This is a first group element. The first group elements, as you know, very basics, are known as alkali metals. The first group elements are known as alkali metals. And second group elements are known as alkaline earth elements. Alkaline earth elements. Alkali. कौन सी कली? Alkali. And you know, hydrogen's position, it is kept separately in the periodic table, atomic number 1. Why it is kept separately in the periodic table? Because hydrogen resembles alkali metals and halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Okay, these are halogens. Those are salt formers, halogens. Okay, or we can say the electronegative people, the Bhikari people. Mr. Fakir, fluorine, the most electronegative element in the periodic table, that is fluorine. And the most electropositive is cesium. Francium is there, but it is radioactive and unstable. Therefore, we are not counting this. Even these elements are much more radioactive and unstable. Therefore, we are not considering now for our basic study of the periodic table. Now, if you consider the 13th group of elements, you will get Bal Gangadhar Indian Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Indian Tilak. So here boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Now suppose we consider like अभी एलिमेंट्स का एक मार्केट है, बाजार है, और सोचिए कि कोई गया है एलिमेंट्स खरीदने के लिए. मराठी में कैसे पूछेगा? कशी घेतलीस किंवा घेतलास. Tin आणि lead. Tin, that is a stannum, and lead, that is a plumbum. Okay, कशी घेतलीस tin आणि lead. So carbon, Mr. Carbon, the king of organic chemistry. Carbon. Okay, silicon, germanium, stannum, plumbum, that is lead. 15th group elements, that is a nitrogen family. This is the boron family. This is the carbon family. So 15th group elements, national permit, असं SB Bismuth. National permit, असं SB Bismuth. Here arsenic, savarium, antimony, bismuth, not bismuth. Okay. Then 16th group elements, that is oxygen family. Oxygen family, also known as chalcogens. Chalcogens, oxygen family, also known as chalcogens, means what you can say, ore formers. Ore. Basically, much of the, what you can say, most of the ores are present in the form of oxides or sulfides, or even tellurides. So, office superintendent C.T. Police. This is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Now, we will not have any special trick for this and this, because those are very familiar. Right from 9th standard, you know these elements. Therefore, we will remember this: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, इतने सारे ट्रिक्स डिवाइस करके रखते हैं, इतने सारे ट्रिक्स, वो ट्रिक्स ही ट्रिकी बन जाते हैं. Tricks become much tricky and you are unable to remember it. The tricks should be very simple, very concrete. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, and these are now sannyasi people. They will neither give nor take nor share. No chemical combination. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, so this is how we went group wise. Period wise, once again, for our basic foundation, at least till 30 elements, if you know, it is more than enough for you. And as the study progresses, we will see all these transition elements, those are D and F block elements, okay, in the 12th standard in details, and very nice tricks to remember it. Once again, I will revise it for you. See, let us sing. At least if you are not good singers, you can sing in the bathroom. H-H-E, H-H-E-L-I-B, B-C-N-O-F neon. See, H-H-E-L-I-B, B-C-N-O-F neon. Okay. नारायण मगाशी आला म्हणून सीताला फोन करून सांग, कॉलर कॉलर कॉलर. का नाही का? कारण सायन्स टीचर विचारतात 23rd atomic number 23 विचारतात क्रोमियमचं मन, फेकू नको झडन, फेकू नको झडन. So this modern periodic table is based on the atomic number, because H. Moseley said that atomic number is the main property, that is a basic property or fundamental property. उसने क्या कहा, तुम मुझे एटॉमिक नंबर दो, मैं तुम्हें केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज दूंगा. Because in the Mendeleev's periodic table, atomic mass number was the fundamental, it was said. But you cannot take atomic mass as the measure of any chemical property. But Moseley said, तुम मुझे atomic number दो, मैं तुम्हें chemical properties दूंगा. कैसे? For example, very famous at your basics, if you give me atomic number Z is equal to 11, knowing the atomic number, you can find the electronic configuration 281, that is a gully number 1, gully number 2, gully number 3, 281. So, knowing the atomic number, you can find the electronic configuration, and knowing the electronic configuration, you find the valency. कितना देगा, लेगा या share करेगा. Okay. So, how to remember that? If the number of electrons less than 4, it will try to donate. 4 or more than 4, share or take. Alright. So, knowing the atomic number, you can find the electronic configuration, and knowing the electronic configuration, you can find the valency. Therefore, atomic number is the fundamental chemical property. So, with this basic, we will try to understand other periodic trends in the next chapter. Okay, that is completely periodic table for 11th standard. Once again, I will revise it for you. HHE, HHELIB, BCNOF neon, नारायण मगाशी आला म्हणून सीताला फोन करून सांग, कॉलर कॉलर कॉलर. का? कारण सायन्स टीचर विचारतात क्रोमियमचं मन, फेकू नको झेडेन. थँक्यू.